At Emberton, we work closely with professionals from the hospitality industry to create perfect guest room products. Our designs marry incredible build quality with superior performance. It was that pursuit of perfection that led us to imagine what the ideal hotel hairdryer might look like. It was that approach that led us to create the Salford Deluxe. Made of chrome and soft-touch rubber, the Salford Deluxe combines elegant design with impressive power. Switches are tested to 10,000 cycles. Quality can be felt in every component, from the luxurious rubberized finish and ergonomic non-slip handle, to the super coil cord, made to bounce back into shape even after intensive stretching, to the elegant chrome barrel and filter cover. When not in use, the Salford Deluxe can be stored neatly in a matching wall-mounted holder. For extra security, the wall holder is fitted with anti-theft cable tracks. As with all Emberton electrical products, the Salford Deluxe features our proprietary DualSafe technology. Integrated into the electrical circuit, DualSafe immediately cuts power when temperatures reach critical levels. Working independently from the thermostat, DualSafe acts as an additional safety system to prevent any possible risk from fire. The Salford Deluxe. The Emberton Salford Deluxe, the ultimate guest room hairdryer.